Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code or VS Code on Windows 11. VS Code is a powerful, lightweight code editor that's perfect for developers, data analysts, and students like us. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and type Visual Studio Code. Click on the first link you get on the browser, and here you see the Visual Studio Code software, which has I can also go for the docs, updates, docs, APIs, extensions, question answers. And now we have three variants of Visual Code Studio. First is Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, or the Mac system. So we'll be downloading for the Windows. So click on the Windows. As you click on the Windows, the setup has been here. So get started guide, user guide, terminals, GitHubs, and everything is being here. You can just simply go and check what you need. These are the top extensions which are used by the editors. It is Python and C++, Java, and the GitHub. Whereas in the thanks for downloading VS Code, our downloading has been already started as I have downloaded the Visual Studio Code for you. So just jump into the download session, and here is the Visual Studio Code. So just click on it and run your startup. Once you finish with your startup, you can directly open the uh, Visual Studio Code in your system. So by using window Chrome prompt command, or you can simply click on the Visual Studio Code. So I'll be teaching you both the things. So first, window R, which will directly open your command prompt. You can see here, this is the command prompt. Once the command prompt is open for you guys, you can directly write here code and hit enter. So once you write the code and hit enter, you will see the Visual Studio Code is being there for you. Now you can directly start your coding and your new file extension, whatever you want. So in this session, I will be showing you, this is the menu section where the files you can easily open or create a new file using Windows, open file or folders, whatever you want. You can also add folders to your workspace. Second, I will show you these extensions where in this session, these are the extensions I have already installed for my Visual Studio Code. You can also install whatever kind of extension you want, just like C++ syntax or black box, which I use for the coding agent. As if I stuck somewhere, it helps me a lot. And also you can use the dev kit or the Python extension and code runner, etc. So whereas let's start with the new file. So simply correct on the new file and what kind of file you need. You have the extensions where I have the .NET project for my dev kit, developer kit. Also have the Python file extension and Jupyter notebook. So currently I'm using the Python file. So I'll be using Python file, and so it will be creating a file extension for me which is in the Python, and now you can create and write your code as it is you want. So thank you so much for the video. I hope you learn more about things, and thank you so much for being here. If you like, click share and follow the channel. Thank you.